Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix a Rust microphone and voice chat. So when you're in game and press V, should be microphone, as you can see here, and anybody should hear you. If for some reason it's not showing, then you need to go to audio, make sure it's on stereo, then make sure a master volume is not muted. For video purposes, this is muted, but for you should be not. Voice volume should be also not muted as well here. And also go to controls and look what key you need to press in order to talk. On default is V, but sometimes, as you can see here, it can be changed. Then what you need to do here, you can close Rust, and you just need to go to sound settings. On sound settings, make sure the right microphone and the headphones is selected here with the proper sound. Then go to volume mixer. Make sure Rust is not muted here. The right microphone and speakers is selected. Also here as well, should be default. And then what you need to do here is to go on more sound settings. Make sure your headphones, the right headphones is set to default. Then you just need to right click on it and make sure it's not muted and it has around 60 of the volume. Also make sure these two options are selected. Same thing with your microphone. Go here, make sure the right microphone is set to default, and then make sure, as you can see here, it has around 60 and it has these two options enabled. Another thing that you need to do here on search, you just need to write microphone privacy settings. Then make sure this option is enabled here as well as this one here. And the last thing that I suggest to do here is to go to Steam, then open up settings, then go to voice, and then make sure input and output volume is in the middle. Also, you can test your microphone and input and output device is set to default, right? And open microphone is selected as well, and it should fix your problem. So yeah, that's basically it.